We all know how much time it can take to create content. And when you're juggling between writing for your blog, social media, landing pages, ads, emails, videos, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we built Copy.ai. With Copy.ai, you can quickly generate product descriptions, website copy, social media posts, and so much more. Here's how it works. Name your project so you can save and organize what you create. Pick the tool for the content you need to generate. Describe your idea or product in the description box. Click the green Create button and wait for your results to show. Browse the results and make any edits you need. Finally, save your favorite results to your project. With over 70 tools, Copy.ai can help you make just about any content you need. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock your creativity and start saving yourself hours of work. Try out Copy.ai for 7 days, totally free.